Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to install Android Studio. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. So before starting with the installation, let me tell you what is Android Studio and where it is used. What is Android Studio? Android Studio is the official integrated development environment, that is IDE, for Android application development. It is based on the IntelliJ IDEA, a Java integrated development environment for software, and incorporates its code editing and developer tools. In simple words, Android Studio is used for Android application development. So where to use it? Android Studio provides a unified environment where you can build apps for Android phones, tablets, Android Wear, Android TV and Android Auto. Structured code modules allow you to divide your project into units of functionality that you can independently build, test and debug. So now let's begin with the installation process. Search Android Studio. Visit the official website to download Android Studio. This is the official website for downloading Android Studio. Link is provided in the description. So now click on download. Here, these are some terms and conditions, so click on I have read terms and condition in order to download. Here the downloading starts. So now downloading is done. Let us see the downloaded application in folder. We will run it as administrator. So here the installation is started. Now click on next to continue. Here select the components to install and click next. Select the file location where you want to install. After that, choose Start Menu folder and click Next. After installation, click on Finish. So here if you want to import settings, you can import them or click on Do Not Import. Here Google requests you to send your data usage or how you use the features of Android Studio. You can read it briefly here. I don't want it, so I will just close it. Here Android Studio is asking what type of setup we want to install. So we will choose the default, which is standard setup. After choosing, click on Next, Next. Now here, these are some default settings which you can change further if you want. For now, we will install the default settings, and these are some SDK components to download which requires internet connection. If you don't download these, your Android Studio won't run properly. In order to download them, you need to accept license agreements. After accepting, click on Finish. Here downloading installing process of SDK component starts. It takes time depending on your internet connection. Here Android Studio installation is done. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.